Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On my last video on the eligibility criteria of PhD in IITs, many commented asking about the syllabus of PhD entrance exam in IITs. So today's video is specifically on the syllabus of PhD entrance exam in IITs. So let's begin. सो सी गाइस, सिलेबस जो है पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का वो आईआईटी टू आईआईटी वेरी करता है. एक आईआईटी के जो डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं उनका सिलेबस दूसरी आईआईटी के डिपार्टमेंट से सेम नहीं होता. इनफैक्ट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ एग्जाम इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट एंड वेरीज फ्रॉम आईआईटी टू आईआईटी. इन सम आईआईटीज द एग्जाम पैटर्न इज completely qualitative, meaning you will get essay type questions. In other IITs the exam pattern may be completely objective type. You may get only multiple choice questions. So many a time some departments do not share the syllabus of exams. They simply tell you the pattern of the exams. They only share the format of the exam, that your exam is going to be either subjective or objective. Either you will get essay type questions or you will get objective type questions, meaning multiple choice questions. So for instance, some departments in their advertisements tell you that your exam is going to be of essay type questions, right? So the questions can be from anywhere in your area. So what you can do is you can revise the emerging areas, the current trends in your area, in your subject, and accordingly prepare. Because in such cases where the syllabus is not shared, the chances are the questions are going to be the recent topics of your area. Okay, so that is one case, but many a times departments also share the syllabus of the exam beforehand, so you know what is going to be asked in the exams. If you look at the recent advertisement of the chemical engineer department at IIT Bombay, they have shared the syllabus of the exam along with the sample paper. अब उससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या चाहिए, right? So you know the topics that are going to be asked in the exam along with the sample paper. Similarly, if you look at the advertisement of the chemical engineering department at IIT Indore, they have also shared the syllabus of their exam. They have also shared the pattern of the exam, which tells you that the exam is going to be the objective type. You will get multiple type questions. Also look at the recent advertisement of the HSS department at IIT Indore. It says that they will ask you to write a statement of purpose in the exam. सो इस केस में तो आपको क्वेश्चन ही पता चल गया कि आपके एग्जाम में क्या क्वेश्चन आएगा, राइट? सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्रिपेयर. सो गाइज, द ट्रिक टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द पीएचडी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इन आईआईटीज इज टू गो थ्रू देयर एडवर्टीजमेंट्स इन डिटेल. गो थ्रू द एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑफ योर डिपार्टमेंट इन डिटेल, राइट? उसको अच्छे से पढ़ो एंड फॉलो देयर गाइडलाइंस प्रॉपरली. थरली गो थ्रू देयर सिलेबस एंड सैम्पल पेपर्स. गाइज, अगर आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. एंड नीचे कमेंट्स में लिख के आप अपनी क्वेरीज मुझे बता सकते हो. I'll be happy to answer them.